With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says which of the following cannot result in changed frequencies of genes and alleles in future generation. So here we should be discussing about the Hardy-Weinberg principle, which was given by Hardy and Weinberg. So this was the name of the two scientists, and they said that the allele frequencies in the population are stable and is constant from generation to generation. So the gene pool, that is the total genes and the alleles in a population, remain a constant, and this is the principle which states about the genetic equilibrium. So there are certain factors which affect the Hardy-Weinberg principle, and few of those factors are the recombination which occurs during the gametogenesis, because during recombination or the gametogenesis which occurs during the meiosis 1. So this recombination, also called as the crossing over phenomenon, which occurs during the zygotine stage of the prophase 1. So there will be mixing of the genes, and the genetic equilibrium will now be hampered. So according to the genetic equilibrium, the equation is that if in a diploid organism, the P and the Q are the frequencies of allele capital A and small a. So the frequency of capital A individual can be taken as P square. Small a can be taken as Q. So here the capital A small a can be taken as 2pq. So that means the equation is that p square plus q square plus 2pq is a constant and it is equal to 1. So this remains constant if there is no evolution taking place, right? So this constant, which is going to determine whether the evolution is taking place in a population or no, right? So here we have the next phenomenon, that is the gene flow. So there are 5 factors which affect the Hardy-Weinberg principle. The gene migration or gene flow is one of them. When migration of a section of a population to another place and population occurs, gene frequencies change in the original as well as in the new population. So new genes are added to the new population, whereas they are lost from the old population. So there would be gene flow if gene migration happens multiple times. So this is what gene flow is, whereas genetic drift is if the same change occurs by chance, it is called as genetic drift. Now, the acquired characters due to use and disuse of organs. Let's talk about this. So this principle was one of the postulates of the Lamarck's theory of evolution, that the organs which are used, for example, athletes are going to use their muscles to a larger extent, so their muscles are going to be developing more as compared to a normal individual, but this character will not be inherited to the next generation. Then the disuse of organ, a patient who is bedridden, their muscles would undergo atrophy, but this atrophy would not be passed on to the next generation. So acquired characters are the ones which are acquired during the lifetime and occurs due to disuse and use and disuse of organs. So here we see that the only right option here is option number 4, whereas the other factors are going to change the gene frequency in a population where it is going to deviate from 1. So this equation, p square plus q square plus 2pq, when it deviates from 1, that means evolution is taking place in the population. So option number 4 here is the right answer for this question. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.